Welcome to Life Mastery, your go-to channel for self-improvement and mastering all areas of life. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps and insights that will empower you to be more attractive and make any girl fall in love with you. Let's get started. Finding ways to be attractive to girls is a topic that has fascinated people for ages. While there's no magic formula, certain qualities and behaviors can boost your appeal. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the intricacies of attraction and provide practical tips to help you become a more magnetic and appealing individual. Remember, attractiveness is subjective, but incorporating these suggestions can significantly increase your chances of attracting girls. Cultivate confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Work on building self-assurance by recognizing your strengths, setting achievable goals, and focusing on self-improvement. Believe in yourself and your abilities, stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with certainty. Strike a balance between confidence and humility, as arrogance can be a turnoff. Personal hygiene and grooming. Taking care of yourself physically is important. Maintain good personal hygiene, keep yourself groomed, and dress appropriately for different occasions. Your appearance reflects how you value yourself and can enhance your confidence and attractiveness. Develop a positive attitude and sense of humor. Positivity is attractive. Embrace optimism and find humor in everyday situations. Be the person who can make others laugh and bring positive energy to their lives. Your positive attitude and sense of humor will draw people towards you. Listen and communicate. Effective communication is crucial. Listen actively by giving your full attention, showing genuine interest, and asking questions. Engage in clear and open communication, as it builds trust and understanding. Embrace kindness and respect. Kindness and respect go a long way in attracting others. Treat people with genuine kindness, empathy, and respect. Small acts of kindness leave a lasting impression and show that you care about others. Pursue your passions. Passion is appealing. Explore your interests and pursue them with enthusiasm. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment makes you more interesting and attractive. Passionate individuals exude energy and enthusiasm, which are contagious. Be authentic. Authenticity is key. Be true to yourself and embrace your unique qualities. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not. Authenticity allows others to see the real you and fosters genuine connections. Embrace rejection with confidence. Rejection is part of life, and it's important not to take it personally. Understand that not everyone will be attracted to you, and that's okay. Maintain a positive mindset and keep being respectful, even if someone isn't interested. Conclusion. Attracting girls is about developing your personal qualities and embracing your unique attributes. By cultivating confidence, practicing good hygiene, maintaining a positive attitude, communicating effectively, showing kindness and respect, pursuing your passions, being authentic, and handling rejection with confidence, you'll increase your attractiveness. Remember, being yourself and radiating positivity will naturally draw others towards you.